Yes, Qub, how are you, Kaka?
How are you doing, Bas? How was your trip to our neighbours?
Never been better, bro. They told me they are running out of patience with the Barzanis.
Well, that's obvious, Kaka. They are absolutely right about parties.
It really doesn't matter what they do. I promise you we will fuck them hard this time, don't you worry. They have guaranteed us a minimum of 30 seats and also promised to get rid of those 11 seats that party has always been using to their advantage.
That's great news, Baf. Also, from my side, everything is going according to plan. But remember, Kaka, we have to be very smart about this and start lobbying for the election. We need to show we are legitimately getting those seats. As usual, we have the advantage of using Hizbi Shahidan, Anfal, etc., just in case shit hits the fan.
Listen, Kaka, we will play the game, but as far as I'm concerned, we have already been guaranteed our seats. We do not need any fuckers' vote. I will not be begging for anyone to vote. I don't give a shit about Shahid or Mala Shahid or fucking Peshmergas. They will probably go and vote for that cunt Lahore anyway.
Either way, we have to be careful now as party and especially Masro are really worried as they can't figure out what our next move is. They know we are getting help for the election from Baghdad and our neighbours, but they can't prove it.
I'll tell you one thing. I can't wait to see Masro's arrogant face when we fuck them in the election. That prick always looked down on us. We will give them a taste of their own medicine.
Yes, agreed, but as you know, party will pressure Baghdad to try and make things...
Kaka Baghdad listens to us thanks to our neighbours' influence. It really doesn't matter what party tries to do in Baghdad. If something doesn't suit us, I will just fly over there and fuck it all up. Simple as that.